Business ground to a halt on Monday as the usually bustling Chirundu border crossing descended into chaos following mass protests by both the Zambian and the Zimbabwe nationals. Zambia namashikobuda nyogwa panapa zvikunzi aiwa kuchirundu aiwa chava chimoto manje kuri kuonekwa kunzi maprotest between mazimbabweans nemazambians right now they're erupting. Not subscribe on like on the bell icon tipina panapa ayamudanyira chiti reports say that Zambian nationals on Monday reportedly blocked Zimbabweans from entering Zambia, accusing them of unfair advantages and illegal entry. The blockade sparked a retailing protest by Zimbabweans who claim they have been subjected to harassment, arbitrary arrests, and extortion by Zambian immigration officials. According to border sources, Zimbabweans caught without proper documentation are being detained and allegedly forced to pay as much as 24,000 kwacha, approximately $800 to secure their release. Meanwhile, they argue undocumented Zambians have been entering Zimbabwe with minimal scrutiny or punishment. The volatile situation escalated when Zimbabwean immigration officers reportedly turned away a group of Zambian vendors attempting to cross into Zimbabwe. This prompted the Zambians to join the protest in anger, further deepening the standoff. Witnesses say traffic at the key commercial crossing was paralyzed for several hours as the demonstrators from both sides exchanged accusations of exploitation and discrimination. The demonstrations, which began as a standoff over immigration grievances, are the latest flare-up in deteriorating relations between the two Southern African neighbors. The tensions comes in the wake of a diplomatic spat ignited by Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent public attack on his Zambian counterpart, President Hichilema, during a high-level meeting in Russia. Mnangagwa accused Hichilema of pandering to Western interests, a move widely interpreted as a bullying tactic that has further strained already fragile bilateral ties. Tomashikabuda panapo panguva inoi tiona kuti aiwa panguva inoi takuona another saga between the two leaders Hichilema na Mnangagwa aiwa yo erupta pa Chirundu border post. Vatakuona kuti now protests as they are now erupting pamusoro grievances aiwa a proper documentation. Vanhu voona kuti aiwa panapa yava sabotage yakuitika between the two countries papagara zvapo pasina kuwirirana. Tudze mavhunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi muna comment section medu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.